Hello and welcome to the channel. A few months ago I did a review on these fake NWS. They're actually SMU pliers. They're an almost exact copy of the NWS pliers, and I remarked how well made they are. I've used these now for another few months and they're holding up really well, obviously, apart from being dirty where the white bits were. Absolutely not a mark on them. Obviously a few little scratches here and there, but they've held up really well. Really good quality pliers. So I actually found the company that makes these and I asked them. It's a factory in China and it's called Wait Tools, W-A-I-T, and I contacted them and asked them what else they do. So these are their actual pliers that aren't copies of popular brands. And again, they're really good pliers. I'm really impressed for the price of them. They'll only be a couple of pounds. They're such good quality. I don't understand the need of companies like this to make a copy like that. They're not even charging anywhere near the price of an NWS per plier, so it's nothing to do with money, because they could charge the same for those as they could for those, and obviously just keep their own brand. So I don't really understand why they feel the need to rip off other brands, basically. Now, this company, Wait Tools, they say in the email that they do make tools for Decton and Parkside, amongst others. I haven't seen any of these labelled as Parkside or Decton, but they're actually really good. Nice quality. Handles really nice. It's a mixture again of hard plastic and a little bit softer rubber. Has this black coating on, which seems to last fairly well. Ends match up. The teeth are all nice. The cutting edge is nice. No marks on that. I haven't cut much of it, but there's no marks there. You do have some serrations on the outside here. I'm not really sure what they're for. They've got a nail holder there, pin holder, whatever you want to call it. Crimper just in there. That's got teeth on it as well. Everything's really, really nicely made. Got a letter R. I don't really know what the R means. It's not their brand, as far as I can see. This is a smaller needle nose pair from the same company. Again, everything matches up nicely. You can see they have common sort of shapes here and here, much the same. The crimp is the same, it's got teeth on it. Nice fine teeth on the edge of there. It's a nice set of needle nose pliers. And there's no reason for me to think that they won't last for, well, as long as a branded pair. This pair they sent as well. This is a real chunky pair. I mean, the SMU ones are big, but these are even bigger. Now these have the spring which fits in there, so gives you a bit of easy operation, opening and closing. And it also has this here, which keeps it closed together. There is a fault on these that I can see. The millimeter squared is the wrong way around. So it should be, I think it should be 10 to 18. If anyone knows any different, please let me know. This side seems okay. 8 to 16 it is. Yeah, 8 to 16. But this side I think should be the other way. I think it should be 10 to 18. But they've got it the wrong way around. Like I said, if anyone knows any different, please let me know. I think it's wrong. But that's the only thing on these that I can see is an issue. Again, it's got an R on it. Not any branding that I could see on their website. I don't know what the R stands for. Really well made again. Teeth line up nicely. They also have this serrated edge, toothed edge on there. Everything's nice. The teeth are all nice and sharp, nice and lined up. Has a little hole like the other pair. Just a really nice set of pliers. Very solid. It feels like a very similar material to this. In fact, the shape as well is not far off. So I'm assuming they're made of the same material. So these should last just as long as this. They don't have the same coating on. They don't have this strange grey coating on. It looks like a Cerakote coating or something, but they do have the black coating on them. So altogether, they're actually a really nice pair. Everything works as it should. The wire stripper works perfectly fine. Nice and neat. Cutter works perfectly fine. Just a nice pair of pliers. And cheap as well. So if they can make them like that, with this sorted out if it is wrong, if they can make them like that, then why do they feel the need to copy something like that? Because these would be sold for probably about the same price as well. But there you have it. So these are sets of pliers from Waits Tools. It's a Chinese company. Now I promised a giveaway, and the second giveaway I've decided is going to be a little bit of a bundle. We're going to have a screwdriver. This is a Pro User 5mm by 100 chrome vanadium slotted screwdriver. You're going to get a pair of pliers, long nose pliers, chrome vanadium with a pearl nickel finish. I'm not sure what that is. These are Pro User. I have never heard of these before. Hamble Distribution tends to do quite a few sort of cheaper brands. So, but they feel alright. They feel okay. Really decent pair. And then I'm going to give you one of these 11-piece. Be aware though, it is not a ratchet. If you go and watch the video review on this, it's not a ratchet screwdriver. It's just a solid screwdriver. As you can see, there's no ratcheting on it at all. I think it's just, well, it is in the wrong packaging. We discussed that in an earlier video. So, tools you can't trust is the strap line I would put on there, because it's not what it says it is. Doesn't look like the picture that's on the other side of there either. Anyway, so you get one of those, and one of those. All you have to do is like the video, comment I'm in, or whatever you want to comment, and make sure you subscribe so I can pick a winner. That'll be in probably about 4 weeks time, maybe a bit sooner, I don't know. But there you go. If you like the video, please like and subscribe anyway, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.